This is the 2011-2017 Honda Odyssey. Before we get started, let me give a quick shout out to Mia Max Automotive for letting us use the car. They're a used car dealer here in Toronto. Check out the link in description for their entire inventory. Let's go ahead and open up the lift gate. Right there underneath the lift gate. That's where the panel is. Okay, let's check again. That's the lights right there. The access panel is right over there. Yep, that's the one. Now you see there's a slight notch on the side. We need a flathead screwdriver to put in that notch and then use that to pry the panel off. So let's get the screwdriver, put it in the notch, pry the panel off. It'll come right off easily. Yep, just like that. Keep the panel somewhere safe. Now that dark gray bulb holder on the top, we have to get that off. That's a reverse light bulb. First we need to get all that foam out of the way. So carefully get all the foam out of the way. It's going to take a few seconds, so just be patient with it. Now you see the bulb holder, grab it, twist it left. That's it, now it's loose. Now all you have to do is just wiggle it and you'll be able to get it out. It's gonna take a few seconds and that's okay. And there it is, there is the bulb. To get the bulb out, all you have to do is just grab the bulb and then pull it. You may have to wiggle the bulb because it's probably stuck in there because of moisture, but it'll come off. There's the bulb right there. The bulb replacement type number is W21W or 7440 or T20. So it's T20, 7440 or W21W, all the same. Get the new bulb, put it in the bulb holder, just go straight right in. Now it's locked and let's put it back in. Now when you're putting it back in, you see that bigger notch, the slightly bigger notch on the bulb holder? Just keep an eye out on that. That aligns, when it goes in, it aligns at like 7 o'clock, 8 o'clock when it goes back in the light. So that way just drops right in. It sits flush. Otherwise, you're going to take a few seconds. You have to move it around. But again, if you do it the way I'm doing, it's just going to sit right in. Once it's sitting flush like that, twist your right just a little bit to lock it in place. And now you're done. Don't forget to put all that foam back on, because that foam is what keeps the moisture from going in. You don't want moisture getting in there. And yeah, that's it. Let's put the panel back on. Put the top edge in first with that big tab that's sticking out. Yeah, slide that in first and then align everything, push it, and it's clipped. That's it. Hope you found the video useful.